so what did y'all think about that unboxing? Let me know down in the comment sections below. But the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra has finally made its way here into the office. And let's just take a moment to appreciate how beautiful this device looks. Look at that. And I went ahead and went with the green color, and I am absolutely happy with my choice. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Very, very nice. And I like that they kind of kept that same color around the edges of the device, the top and the bottom. Now, not really the exact same color. It's more of like a gray green color, but I think it looks really nice. If you go to the bottom of the device here, as you can see, that's where the S Pen is going to be, the speakers, charging port, the microphones, and the SIM card slot. Let's go and take this S Pen out. Let's see what color the S Pen is. Let's see. Boom. So it does look like we get a black S Pen, just like we did with the S22 Ultra series. Hello. So this device is still setting itself up, so this isn't going to be a full review or anything, just a quick unboxing and my first impressions of this device. But the display looks absolutely beautiful. I do have it set to the brightest, I believe. There we go. And it gets really, really bright, looking absolutely beautiful. Now, just to do a quick comparison with the S22 Ultra, I do have that right over here. As you can see, they pretty much look exactly the same. I would say that the lenses on the S23 Ultra do look a little bit bigger than the lenses on the S22 Ultra, and the cameras are supposed to be greatly improved. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I am going to have tons of videos coming with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. You are not going to miss out. And when I say tons of videos, I mean tons of videos. And we'll even be comparing both of these devices right here to see if it's actually worth it to upgrade to the S23 Ultra or not. If I put them both to the side like this, if you'll notice, the sides of the S23 Ultra are a little bit thicker than the S22 Ultra, making the screen in the front and also the back of the device just a bit more flatter. So let me go and throw this back over there. As you can see, both pretty much looking like the exact same device. But yes, the display here is a bit more flatter than last year. Not completely flat. There is still a slight curve, as you can see there in the front and the back, but my goodness, it feels really good in the hand. It just makes it easier to hold, and I'm sure it's going to make it easier to use as well. I did set up my fingerprint, as you can see right there. Look at that, working really good. Boom. And what I like about this is it seems like they kind of made the area a bit larger. So let me show you actually what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm actually going to register a new fingerprint, and you'll see the circle kind of moves around, so it may see how it moved down a little bit, to ensure that it'll catch your fingerprint every single time, no matter where you put it, you know, on this bottom center of the device. Sets up really fast as well. Look at that. So it kind of looks like they gave us a bigger area right here to be able to use that fingerprint sensor. So let's try it. Boom. See, as you can see, I wasn't even perfectly center with that. Even I went a little bit lower than what it shows right there on the screen. Let's see. Boom, look at that, still works. So definitely impressed with that. But overall, as far as first impressions go, beautiful looking device, beautiful display, super smooth. Of course, we're getting that 120 hertz display. Now, I did pick this up with my mobile carrier because the mobile carrier deals were actually a lot better than the Samsung deals this year for some reason. I got $1,000 off because I will be trading in my Galaxy S22 Ultra, and they gave me $1,000 towards that, and Samsung was not doing that for some reason. I don't know what the reason was, but yeah, so I had to go with the carrier deal. Now, you're probably noticing, well, first of all, I'll have a link down in the description below in case you do want to pick one of these up for yourself. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, at the time of making this video, pre-orders are still open. So make sure to head down to the description, click that link, and take advantage of any deals that they might have going on either during pre-order or after. Now, you might notice here to the right, I do have a D brand grip case here. That is because they are actually sponsoring this unboxing video. So huge thanks and shout out to them for that. This has to be one of my favorite cases to use on all of my devices, because not only does it give you some good protection. I mean, I've done plenty of drop tests with this grip case on, you know, other devices. Devices always come out looking like new, but not only does it provide, you know, good grip all around the edges, good protection, you know, great drop protection, but you're also able to add some style to it in the back, as you can see here. So this is one of their skins right here. This is their Damascus skin. Let's get a good close-up on that. Look at how cool that looks. Really, really cool. But not only that, you can be able to switch these out whenever you want. So as you can see, I got tons of other skins here. Look at that. And then they got tons more on their website as well. And you don't have to get skins for the case. You can get skins for the phone itself. So you can see here on my S22 Ultra, I am using their matte black skin. So they definitely got a lot to choose from on their website. Make sure to check them out down in the description below. I have a special link to check out dbrand. You're gonna wanna keep a beautiful device like this protected as much as possible because you don't want to risk damaging it. So why not throw on a dbrand grip case in case you do happen to drop it? At least you'll know you will be protected. But I will have a full review and full drop test coming with this dbrand grip case right here. And then I'll also be showing, you know, other skins that they have available, not only for the case, but for the phone itself. So you can be able to add some style to it and make it look even cooler. So again, huge thanks and shout out to dbrand for sponsoring this video. Okay, now real quick, I want to see if there's anything new here with the S Pen. Of course, we still have those Bluetooth capabilities. As you can see there, we do have the button on there. So if you do plan on taking big group pictures and you don't want anybody left out of the picture, you can easily take your Bluetooth pen with you, your S Pen, and you can take the pictures that way. So I believe if you press and hold this, it should already be set up. As you can see there, it does open up the camera. You can still use it as a wand to switch modes like that, as you can see there. And then you can also use it to take the photo. So if I press the button right there, boom, as you can see, it does take the photo. So very cool feature. That's a feature that I always use with my Galaxy S22 Ultra. So I will still continue using it with the S23 Ultra. Let's go ahead and click on the S Pen features here. Let's see, is there anything new? Create a note, view all notes, smart select, screen write, live messages, AR doodle, translate, magnify, pen up. So it doesn't look like there's anything new that I can see. Let's see if I go in here, color. Okay, so that's just gonna be all my apps, AR doodle. So yeah, it doesn't look like there's anything super new here, but I do wanna see what the response time is. So let's go ahead and just go into screen write and let's just write something. Oh yeah, okay, so it is responding good. We can go back, we can change the color if we want. We can change the size. Okay, let's try this out. Actually, let's see. I want to tell you guys something. I want to ask you guys to do something right now. If you haven't done so, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then we can go ahead and save that if we want to. So it looks like the S Pen is working good with the S23 Ultra. Just slides right in like that. Boom, once you hear that click, you know it's in there nice and secure. But yeah, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, I'm excited to start using this phone. My SIM card's already in here. I am going to start using this today, starting my testing. And I am going to go out today and do my 4K video test. So that video should be posted within the next 2 or 3 days. I'll also be doing an 8K video test as well. So we can really test out these cameras when it comes to a video. And if you didn't know this, the whole beginning of this video, that whole intro that you guys saw earlier, was all recorded on my Galaxy S22 Ultra. So really curious to see how much the cameras have improved, you know, coming to the S23 Ultra. But there it is, Galaxy S23 Ultra unboxing and my first impressions. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below, and let me know if you've picked one of these up for yourself and in what color. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to leave it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.